Caramel is excited. The moment I picked up this, she knows that she's going out. So we're going to Alibag and for 2 days. So we really needed this break and we have planned to definitely shoot a lot of the parts of this trip. So hopefully a nice vlog will come out.
2 hours later.
So we started our journey from Mumbai to Alibag at around 3:30 p.m. and it took us around 2.5 hours to reach Alibag. To reach Alibag, we used our personal car. You can also cab it or you can go use the ferry. You can also take your car in the ferry, so that's really amazing. But we wanted to use the car to enjoy the scenic roads and the beautiful drive.
So guys, we are staying at Steya Cottages and it's a beautiful property, very serene. There's nobody at the property right now. There's only one more room which is booked and one is ours. The rooms are named on these stones, so ours is called Emerald. There are 10 cottages and this place is actually away from proper Alibag city, 10 kilometers away. I just wanted to give you all a little tour of this place. This is a sitting area here, झूला है, यहाँ पर देखो hammock है, the hammock. So this is ours, it's called Emerald and this is Topaz. I'm gonna go inside and give you all a room tour also. So this is how the entrance is. This is the room door. We enter, there's a washroom right there. It's like a very nice wooden room. The bed is so comfy and it's so beautiful. I'm going to sleep so nicely on this bed. My god, I really need the sleep. They've also given us complimentary chai. There's a sitting chair, table. There are 2 chairs actually. And you can see all the saman is already pasaroed over here. We have a TV, we have a curtain like window here. There's another, like this is whole door here, 2 door. Okay, there are lamps, fan, AC, everything is there. It's a very nice, very comfortable room. The bathroom is pretty big. It has geyser. It's a very nice bathroom. Sorry for the toilet seat. Hi guys, it's gorgeous. I'm enjoying this so much. I'm kind of really excited. It's amazing. It's so clean. Like the vibes here are really nice and very naturey, and also the rooms are really clean. So I'm pretty excited about that because the property looks really new to me. I don't know how old or new it is, but it's looking very clean and new. I'm pretty excited to stay here.
Immediately after keeping our bags, we headed to Kihim Beach, which is around 15 minutes away from Steya Cottages. It's a beautiful beach. It is very commercialized, but it was pretty clean. The seashore was pretty clean. The water was clear.
So guys, it's sunset time and we are at Kihim Beach. It is 6:11 and Caramel is really excited seeing the water. She is so excited. She's having fun.
At the entrance of the beach, there was a lot of crowd and there was a lot of litter, but at the seashore, at the seabed, there was not much litter and it was very clean. The sunset was beautiful and Caramel enjoyed the water for the first time and it felt really nice. If you love collecting seashells, this is your place. There were a lot of seashells on the seashore and it was beautiful. I was walking in the water after almost 1.5 years and it felt amazing. So I had to go inside the water somehow. I left all my fears aside and I just literally walked in the water and took some pictures and felt the moment at that time. I felt the sunset. I felt so amazing in that moment that it just made me feel and realize how happy I was in that moment.
So guys, we just came back from the beach. We're so dirty right now. Our feet are disgusting. The only negative part about beaches which we don't like is sand particles sticking to your feet, but otherwise we enjoyed thoroughly. Now we're heading to Alibag market to just buy some essentials, and then we'll head to room.
We picked up some food from Cafe Alibag. This place was very lit at that time and we really loved how it looked from outside.
We're just getting back home and it's extremely dark here.
Home? What is
home nahi, room, to the room, and it's extremely dark here and the roads are really bad. So the roads to this resort where we're staying is extremely like बहुत खड्डे हैं and light बंद करने की ऐसी darkness है, so you have to be careful when you come here because it's risky. Not risky, but it's scary if you're scared of darkness like me. So I'm in a car, I'm still okay, but if somebody comes on two-wheelers or whatever, you have to be careful. Also, by the way, on this road itself, Tropicana resort is also there.
Train
okay. तो हम फाटक पर हैं. We're crossing the फाटक. My God, this is so crazy. Guys, we picked up this paneer chili, and these are called pizza pockets. They are very nice, and I ate already 2 of them. Actually, see, one bite is here. यहाँ पे खाया हुआ है. And this is pasta. This was, I think, pink sauce pasta, ना निखिल? ये मैंने अब तक टेस्ट नहीं किया है. ये टेस्ट किया. This is nice. थोड़ा सा salt मुझे कम लगा, but it's overall very yummy. And this is the best item. I think I really love this. ये अभी टेस्ट करते हैं.
क्या है ये?
पनीर चिली.
अच्छा, तूने टेस्ट नहीं किया था?
तूने किया?
नहीं.
करके देख. देखो कैसा लग रहा है. Something is missing. I don't know. You like it? Because I can't pinpoint what is missing, but there's something definitely missing. Good morning, everyone. We are awake. It's 10:30 right now, and we just got our breakfast to the room. So we're sitting in the veranda and having a breakfast. The view is beautiful. We can actually overlook the whole resort. So it starts from here, and you can see all the rooms. And we tied up Caramel because इसका भरोसा नहीं है, भाग जाएगी. Caramel, मेरे चप्पलों पे मत आ यार. So we tied her up over here. We can't keep her bund in the room, so we want her to enjoy the view and food with us. That's why we tied her up over here. And we're just setting up the breakfast table. There's bread butter. There's poha here. This is save for poha. This is chai. Very simple breakfast. We're just going to taste it. We haven't had it yet, so we'll tell you how it is. But it's overall the whole room is very clean. The whole service we really loved sleeping in the night. It was so peaceful and very calm. The whole area is very calm and peaceful. We really enjoyed, after a long time, we enjoyed being in a place where it's so quiet and so calm. It was just serene. And even in the morning, right now, it's so शांत. मेरी आवाज़ इतनी ज़्यादा है, बाकी इतना सब शांत है. सिर्फ birds chirping and just like you can hear nature, and that's what we wanted. Like we really wanted to just be and calmly just sit and relax. That's what we're doing. This is our room, and you also have a swing here, so if you want in the morning you can come here and chill. And this is the whole jungle area. So basically no jungle here, but there's this area is like looks quite dense.
And the guy, the manager here, he told us yesterday that earlier times, बहुत पहले, I don't know कितना पहले, but थोड़ा पहले, this jungle had tigers and lions. Not lions, but tigers.
होगा क्योंकि बहुत dense लग रहा है. So
but
last night we were also kind of freaking out, but it's the morning here was very beautiful.
For lunch, we headed to Boardwalk by Flamboyant.
We're finally inside the restaurant, Boardwalk by Flamboyant, and it is a beautiful place. It is right at Manwa Jetty. I'll show you the view from here, but we're not sitting right at the edge of the view because Caramel is with us, and they told us to take a side table so people don't get disturbed by a dog, because many people don't like dogs, right? So it's kind of like that. But definitely dogs are allowed here.
It was so nice and windy, and we enjoyed our lunch. We ordered some spicy veg dim sums and some pink sauce pasta, and I also ordered for a mojito. It was all very delicious.
We are at Mandwa beach. It's beautiful and पूरा empty है. चल निखिल पानी में जाए.
इधर रात को आने को क्या डर लगेगा ना,
Curly's वाला feel आ रहा है.
है ना?
So guys, right now we are at Versoli beach. We just did a little bit photo shoot. Sun has gone down.
Versoli beach was also beautiful. It was nice and clean, but it was pretty commercialized. There were a lot of people there, but it was nice and clean if you wanted to just go chill with your friends and family. You also had ATV ride over there. You could also do some water sports.
When we took for Caramel, we did not feed her in the car. We were planning to sit and feed her somewhere, so we just came out of Versoli beach and we saw this doggy removing stuff from the dustbin. And Nikhil is like, चलो इसको ही feed कर देते हैं. सब मतलब वो होता है ना कहने का मतलब जो दाने दाने पे लिखा है खाने वाले का नाम. Such a beautiful thing to see a dog eating food without being pressurized to survive and look for food. And I think he's still hungry, but at least he got some food, some morsel in his mouth.
मस्त खा लिया उसने, 1 सेकंड में खत्म.
भूखी लगी है उसको और बेबी. अरे my streeties
But
are
at
so
least
beautiful.
he ate something right
See
now.
how he's removing
Yeah.
it.
Then we picked up some dinner from Adarsh Katta. We picked up Chinese food, and then we went to Kulaba Spice and picked up some dal chawal from there. That's how we did some time pass waiting for the food outside in the car.
Since because of COVID, we are preferring to have chammach and thali. Like we got these disposable ones.
Okay.
And this is plastic, I know, but we just got this. It was available, so we got this. And here is the veg Szechuan fried rice from Adarsh Katta.
इधर इधर उल्टा रखना है यहाँ पे on the chair.
चेयर पे 10 लोग बैठे हैं. And that is what? Biryani rice.
Nice.
And dal is there.
I'll open that. अच्छा.
Very nice.
This is when whenever you go out, why you show my legs?
Yummy. Sorry Nikhil, 1 second. The food is really good
So
for me to avoid it.
whenever you go outside anywhere and you don't know what you want to eat or क्या खाना है, क्या खाना चाहिए, और you know रेस्टोरेंट का खाना कैसा होगा,
जानने के लिए
कि टेस्ट कैसा है, या द सेफेस्ट फूड टू ईट इज दाल चावल. And always go for dal fry instead of dal tadka, because in dal fry there's less oil and less spice. In dal tadka they add like, many restaurants add like a layer of oil on top, तो बहुत गंदा टेस्ट आता है उसका. You ate your food, तुमने अपना खाना खाया ना?
She's eaten a lot of boiled chicken we got from Iftil गया ना?
हाँ, कुलाबा स्पाइस.
कुलाबा स्पाइस से boiled chicken लिया, पहले आके उसको दिया. She ate. Now again she's hungry.
Good morning, you guys. It's second day and we are sitting out again for breakfast. It's a little bit cold today, but थोड़ी वो sun की warmth आ रही है, so it's feeling nice. And we're just having breakfast, which is chai, bread butter again, and upma. Upma I usually don't really prefer, but I will taste and tell you all how it is. Let's enjoy these simple joys of life, which is a simple breakfast on a vacation morning, which is bread butter, chai, upma and poha. It is so serene to just sit in the nature and enjoy these things.
We are currently looking for Akshi beach, and we are on some kind of roads which are like inside and बहुत कच्चे रास्ते हैं. So we don't know if we're going to reach there or no. मिला देखो रास्ता
आगे से है,
यहाँ से डेड एंड दिखा रहा है.
यहाँ से एक पुल पे करके कोई तो बीच रिजॉर्ट है.
So basically we are on this road which is very ऊबड़ खाबड़.
बहुत कच्चा रास्ता है,
बहुत ही ज़्यादा कच्चा रास्ता है. Oh my god. So guys, we found a gem. We actually explored something. I'm so happy.
Then we found this unexplored beach called Akshi. It was very quiet, non-commercialized. There were hardly any people. They were just cycling or playing some kind of sports far away, and it was very clean and nice to be there. We made some content here and we also enjoyed the beach. It was very beautiful. This beach was breathtaking and very stunning. It was very calm, and as you can see, there was not much crowd or not many people, so we could enjoy a nice walk with Caramel in the water and run around with her, play with her, and it was a fun time.
Nikhil chose to take a shortcut from Google Maps, and it got us.
There's a car coming behind us.
And it got us in this patla gully, and now we're going reverse.
Move the camera.
Sorry. Now we're taking reverse. Beach हमारे right सामने है. We are going to Avas beach. We apparently read about it that it's very nice and clean and isolated. Like not too much crowd is there, so we wanted to go there, and I hope we don't miss sunset.
Finally, we landed at this beautiful beach called Avas Beach. It was a very vast and very clean beach again unexplored and not very commercialized. Beach is very pristine and is covered with casuarina trees, and it was very calm and quiet. Not much to do over there, but you can just sit and relax and just enjoy the water and the sunset.
And look what I just wrote on the sand. The father and the daughter are only like they started walking already, and I'm just following them. These beaches are really clean and pristine and very different than what we've usually seen. They're beautiful. They're gorgeous, like they're so clean, and you can see shells all over the shore. It's beautiful.
This was our last destination, and then we headed back home. This trip was recorded in Feb this year, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. I also had another vlog which we shot in September, but I did not want to put that out because I did not shoot much during that time because it was raining a lot and we hardly went out when we went to Alibag. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you really soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll be coming back with a lot of more videos.
Okay, so guys, I think that's it for the video today. It is raining in the month of February. मेरे मुंह में पता नहीं words नहीं आ रहे हैं. So anyway, we did not stop anywhere to eat. We just picked up some chocolates and some chatar patar from the road and we just left. And good we left because it's raining right now heavily, not even like regularly, like normally मतलब drizzle नहीं हो रही है, बारिश बरसात तेज हो रही है. कैरमल पीछे है एंड मेरे को यही डर लग रहा है कि वो फ्रीक आउट होगी और कुछ नहीं, बाकी हम तो पहुंच जाएंगे, लेकिन उसका सिर्फ डर है मेरे को थोड़ा कि शी फ्रीक आउट. बट होपफुली थैंक गॉड राइट नाउ इट्स नॉट थंडरिंग विद साउंड्स. इफ दैट वाज हैपनिंग शी वुड हैव हैड लॉस्ट इट. टच वुड, थैंक यू गॉड. बट होपफुली वी रीच होम एंड safely, and I'm ending the vlog here. I'll probably put more snippets if I capture some more stuff. And thank